In this video, we're going through the basic configuration of the GT4 and GT8 automatic road barriers from Kame. All the settings can be managed in the menu by pressing the Enter button and use the arrow buttons to navigate and change values. The first basic step is to set the opening direction. If the barrier opens to the left, the value must be 0. Or if it opens to the right, you need to set it to 1. Go to F54 and select the corresponding value. In my case, it opens to the left, so I put it in 0. Remember to press Enter to confirm the selection. The next step is to go to A1 and set the length of the boom. So measure the arm and set it to that number of meters. Now we're ready to do a travel calibration, so go to A3 and press Enter. Then use the arrows until it says On and press Enter. It will start the calibration procedure by closing and then opening by itself. After the calibration is over, you can test everything by pressing the left and right arrows. Keep in mind that you can only do this while the board is not in the menu system. If you're going to program a remote control, make sure to install the AF card in the control board. Just remember to remove the power before installing the AF card. To program a remote control, go to U1. Press Enter and it will show the number 1 indicating the command you want to assign to the button of the remote control. Select which type of command you want and press Enter. Then a number is going to blink indicating that it's ready to receive the signal from the remote control, so press the button you wish to program. That signal is going to be stored in the user number that was blinking before. Now it's blinking the number 2 because it's ready to receive another signal and it's going to be stored in the user number 2. On this board we can store up to 250 users. If you connect a safety device like a photocell, the normally closed contact should be connected between 2 and CX. To enable it, go to F2 and select the corresponding behavior you want to execute when the photocell detects an obstruction. For example, this photocell is in the path of the driveway, so I'm going to select C1, that it will reopen while it's closing. You can connect another safety device in pin CY and CZ, and assign the function in F3 and F4 respectively. If you want to enable auto closing, you can do that in F19, choosing the number of seconds you want the barrier to stay open before closing automatically. To send a command using an external device like a push button, you can use pins 2 and 7 as a normally open contact. Also, the pins 2 and 3 can be used to send an open command. And pin 4 is for a closing command. One function you might want to change is the speed of movement that you can edit in F28 for opening and F29 for closing speed. There are so many other options and features that you can explore in the manual, so I invite you to check it out. Link in the description. I hope it was helpful and thank you for choosing Kame for your automation solution.